So the most important check to start with is that the month must be between 1 and 12. The year is the year, the day depends on the month. So I'm going to ask a question about the month. So if the month is, if it's bigger than 12, or the month is less than 1, okay, still they're digits, okay, that's fine, then I want to output a message, output incorrect month. Okay, so now the month's okay, so now I can, the day depends on the month, okay, I could check the day as well, okay, so it can't be bigger than 31 now. So if day is bigger than 31 or day is less than 1, then, and I'll do the same thing again, output incorrect day. Okay, now we're finally getting there. Right, now we can extract the day, month and the year. Okay, and then we can test them further. So let's say day equals to, so it becomes, and I can use the end function because it says in the question I'm allowed to use function int, okay, using uppercase. So I'm going to get the date, and that's 1, 2, 2. Okay, so that equals that, and I can also get the month, and that becomes the int of date, and that's 4, 2, 5. Bracket on the end, and then I want to be able to get the year as well, and that'll be the integer part of date, bracket 7 to 10. Close. Okay, now just tidy this up so I can read it a bit easier. I'm just going to line up my arrows, okay, so I can see what's going into those variables. Now I've got the day, the month and the year, and now what I want to do is to check for a leap year. I'm going to do that next. I'm going to use the code that I've already got. Okay, I want to check for a leap year, so I'm going to use this code here. I'm going to have a boolean again, which will check for my leap year. So let's bring that in. Let's paste that code there. In. There we go. So I'm going to set a leap boolean to false. I'm going to ask, is it divisible by 4? Okay, and then if it's that, okay, just lining everything back up again. It might seem tedious, but this is the best way to make your pseudocode readable. Okay, and remember in Python you've got to indent anyway, so it's a good idea to be able to see what your code, what you're coding from, is indented to. Right, so by the end of this, it will tell me that if the year is a leap year. Now the next thing I want to do is to check the month. So I want to know if the month is if it's a month which has got 31 days, or it's got 30 days, or it's got 28 to 29 days. So I'm only left with months of 1 to 12, so that should be perfectly good. So let's do that in the next video.